Question number 8. Mark is twice as old as his son. 10 years ago, yung mga root words natin, twice as old as his son. 10 years ago, Mark was 3 times as old as his son. How old is son now? A15, B20, C25, D30. So, derive muna natin yung equation natin. First is, let the son's current age be X, followed by Mark is twice as old. So, age is 2x, okay? Then, after that, 10 years ago, dagdag lang natin, we have Mark age. Yung ago po ay ibig sabihin minus, okay? Then, yung 10 natin, so we have the equation from Mark's age, 2x minus 10. And, of course, son's age. So, x is son kanina, x minus 10. Then, Mark was 3 times as old as his son. So, ito na yung last equation natin. Okay? So, this is son, and this is the equation for Mark. So, let's simplify this. 2x minus 10 equals 3x times the quantity of x minus 10. We have to multiply 3 times x. We have 3x here. And then 3 times negative 10, we have negative 30. Then combining like terms, we need to combine 2x and 3x. Kung magta-transpose siya, definitely 3x minus 2x. Pansin niyo, from positive to negative, and then si negative 30 nag-transpose sa kabila, so magiging positive siya. So let's simplify. We'll know that negative 10 plus 30, we have positive 20, and 3x minus 2x, that's x. Therefore, the son age is 20 years old now. Correct answer natin dito sa part na to is letter B po. Follow Math Talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.